Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create auto captions in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just tap on the project that we would like to work on. Then in the bottom row we swipe to the right and tap on captions. Here we tap on backspace, and here we have auto captions. And here we can just create captions based on either all of the audio files, the video audio files, or the voiceover that we added to the clip. Here we can select template. Here we can select whether we want to have bilingual captions. Here we can identify filler words, and after we have set up everything, we can just tap on generate to create the automatic captions. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.